29 forecast.
Well, let's get you set up for your Thursday and beyond. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Lots of rainfall across the entire area. This is the most rain since last year. That's not saying much because over the last month, anything that's fallen has been basically in frozen form. It's a wet go of it. There's a look outside live at the Airport Road vicinity at Route 29 north of Charlottesville. You can see the wet roadways, the reflection off the headlights. So allow some extra drive time to get to work, to school, or to run those errands and keep that wet weather gear near. You'll definitely need that throughout the day and also into tomorrow. Live radar being coming back with light to moderate rainfall. Wherever you see the darker shades of green, that's some light to moderate rain, some mist and drizzle, lots of spray from the vehicle in front of you as well this morning. And we haven't had a good rainfall since just after Christmas of last year. Watching the rain across Route 29, 230, 231, Route 33, Gordonsville, Sandersville, Madison, Culpeper, Orange, all points in between. Down on 52 and also Route 15, Palmyra to Dillwyn. It's a wet go over into Scottsville too, and Stanton to Harrisonburg, Stewart's Draft, Sharando, all points in between into Waynesboro and Fishersville. We say good morning to you. Lots of wet weather out here. Now the big picture shows this pipeline of rain goes all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, and it's moving from southwest to northeast. So it's going to take a long time to get this rain out of here. It may be another 36 hours before we get us to completely dry on out. But for our area, for a change, no ice or snow to deal with. The ice and snowstorm is going down from areas of Texas down into the Rio Grande Valley of South Texas, into Mexico, all the way into the central parts of the U.S., mid-Mississippi, Ohio valleys, into the interior Northeast. To put that into perspective, at least 22 states involved, and that's at least 1 in 4 Americans under the risk for significant ice and snow, even some power outages from an ice storm. But for our area, we're on the warm side. That means plain old rain. Our rapid refresh high-res forecast model shows between now and 6 p.m. You get the picture. The weather pattern doesn't change a whole lot. Lots of rainy skies and a slow uptick in temperature. As we go into tomorrow morning, more wet weather. The warmest part of our day will be at 8 a.m. Thereafter, here comes the Arctic front. But around here, by the time the coldest air gets here, the rain's gone. So by the time it chills down below freezing, we have no precipitation. We're going to dry on out, but watch out for some refreezing tomorrow night into Saturday as we'll see some of the colder temperatures arrive. As we look at the rainfall projections, a half-inch, inch and a half of rain, that will not cause flooding, but some culverts could back up since they have been clogged by some ice and snow. As we look ahead this weekend, sunshine, dry conditions, although it will be on the chilly side. There's a weak weather system on Monday evening that may give us a rain shower, but I am not impressed with that system. Most, if not all of next week, looks dry around here. Not so dry today in your Storm Team 29 report. A slow rise in temperature. This will be at 5 p.m. in the low and mid 50s. Now overnight, warmer yet, pushing 60 degrees at midnight to 8 a.m. with rainy conditions. And then tomorrow, in the morning in the 50s near 60 degrees, and then after 8, look what happens. The temperatures drop from Harrisonburg, Madison, Culpeper, north to south. Look at that, dropping to the 40s and the 30s. So by 5 p.m. on Friday, it'll be much colder. Your 7-day forecast, 20s and teens tomorrow night with refreezing, cold sunshine Saturday in the 30s. Upper 30s, low 40s on Sunday, lows back in the 20s. A slight shower chance to the southeast on Monday, but I'm not impressed with that system. Most areas stay dry for the second full week of February. 40s and 50s by day and lows